Hello there. Whether you are someone that works in the event planning industry, or you are probably someone that is working managing a tour, or waiting for the pandemic to go away and for things to go back to normal, to actually go back to manage a tour, you have probably faced angry clients because of unmet deadlines or unmet goals, or you are under constant pressure for budget restrictions. Well, if you want to make the operation of your teams more efficient, or if you want to save times following up or doing due diligence, or if making your process more efficient, look no further, because there's a tool that you can use for that, and it's called Trello. Trello is actually a very relevant tool if you are dedicated to event planning or managing tours or other different industries. It is a tool that is going to help you have your team accountable, and also it's going to make the work more fun for your team and for the people that work with you and help you achieve the goals that you have. Trello has different dashboards available. Trello looks at the project management and breaks it into the smallest parts, and that's how it helps you actually be more efficient with the task management. It works with different dashboards, and it works with cards, and the cards are the task, and those are the way in which you can break the bigger projects that you have within more granular tasks, and that's the way that make it more efficient. Other than making your team accountable and having tasks more visible, there are other benefits that Trello brings to the table. It can also save you costs, because you are going to be able to manage tasks more efficiently, and it will be reflected on your bottom line at the end of the day. Another benefit of Trello is that people can go home knowing that these pending tasks have been completed. You will be resting better at home. You can be less stressed. Your team can be more happy and go on Friday night to enjoy a beer with the rest of the team, or with their families, or with their friends. Let me give you a little bit of a demonstration. If you go on Trello.com, then you can sign up, and maybe let's have an example here of the organization of a tour. You can have different dashboards. If you go to the home, this is something that has previously been arranged, but it's an example of how you can actually organize the task for your team. Let's say that you are managing the tour in Mexico, and see, we have now here different lists. We have the to-do lists, we have the doing lists, and we have the done lists. And within those lists, you're gonna create different cards. We have already here pre-charged some cards. The card for the meal plan, for the venues, for the promo materials, for the buses, plane tickets. Maybe you want to sign a sponsorship, and that's a to-do list. You can also go into the cards, and you can actually assign members of your team that are accountable for these tasks. Let's say that Misael in this case is accountable for the task, and it's already that person is the one that will be accountable for creating or for finishing the task and moving it from the to-do to the doing. It's very easy. As you can see, you can just click on it, and then you move it to the next stage on the process. As you can see here, there's people doing different tasks. Maybe you need a new staff member and the hiring process is ongoing. You need to schedule the promo events for your tour. You need to script the phone calls for the people that will be selling the tickets of the tour. And some finished task will be the travel schedule for the van. Of course, you want to have it done before even the tour begins. Probably there's different cities on the tour, so you have already booked the venue for one of those cities. So this is actually a way in which you can manage in a very clean, very intuitive way the tasks of your team. So waste no more time, have some benefits as saving time for your team, being more happy, being more efficient, and welcome to Trello. Thank you.